What is going on, guys? Riley here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So today we are installing the new wheels and tires here on the Hellcat, but before we do that, we're going to do a modification that I've been putting off for a very long time that I should have just went ahead and did it like day 2. And that, my friends, is we're putting quad exhaust tips on. I got them right there. So there's one here and one down there on the floorboard. But I'll show you guys those exhaust tips in a little bit more detail when we stop. But super excited for quad exhaust tips. I'm a huge sucker for those. So should look a lot better in the rear. So I'm about to pull up to the exhaust shop that did my mid muffler delete, and we're gonna have these things put on. So more than likely they're just gonna be welded in place. But there is a small chance that I'm gonna have to cut my resonator and move it back a few inches to get these things to fit properly. So we're just gonna kind of see if they work. But I have been looking for quad exhaust tips for a long time, and I haven't really found many that I like. However, these I found on eBay, and they are exactly what I was looking for. So pretty cool. All right, and here we are, New Star Muffler in Tomball, Texas. Man, I never see this thing outside the car driving around. Looks good. About to look completely different after, I don't know, probably 2 or 3 hours from now. All right, so as I said before, here are the tips. As you can see, they're a little bit at a slant, which will look really good on the car. You'll see here in a second. But yeah, there they are. Not too bad for some eBay tips. Pretty cool. Now just looking under the car here. Oh my God, that's all rubber from the drag strip. Oh my. Yep, other side is pretty bad as well. That's impressive. It's stuck on there for that long. So now with the entire tip cut off, we just went ahead and test fitted. And if you just stuck it right there, it would be sticking out to about, I don't know, right there or so. What he's gonna actually do is cut just a little bit more and then actually weld the bracket onto the tip itself. And that should give us the proper fitment, but it's kind of like a trial and error thing. I haven't really seen too many people do this to Challengers. And the people that do end up getting quad tips, usually it's a full exhaust system like a Corsa, catback, or they delete the entire resonator here. But I'm probably one of the few people to do it with this thing still being here. And actually, I really considered getting a Corsa catback for this car. However, after watching a bunch of YouTube videos, I found out that it's actually quieter than that right there, the mid muffler delete. So I didn't want to go any quieter, so we're just gonna do this. Check this thing out. Wow. Wonder what this thing's here for. Well, that's pretty cool. All right, well, if you need help deciding which side you like better, go ahead and check it out now. Quad tips, stock tips. And just like that, quad tips are on. Oh yes. Why didn't it come like that? Yep, she's loud. Seriously, a huge shout out to New Star Muffler. Once again, Tomball, Texas. They do everything from exhaust work to alignments to tire work. I mean, a whole bunch of stuff, so definitely hit this place up if you're in need of anything and you're local in the area. But oh man, let's go home and let's swap out the wheels and tires for the new ones. All right, so just got home, taking a look at the tips. Oh man, they look good. And we got Zach here. And Zach is delivering 4 new wheels for himself that we are going to ceramic coat. And this massive box right here, well, that, my friends, is my new painted front bumper. So Zach took care of that for me. He found somebody to paint it. Hi, Zach.
Hey, man.
What's up, buddy? I like your first class delivery service.
You like that? That's UPS.
That's impressive. So now we can finally say goodbye to this damaged bumper and damaged splitter. Those will be getting changed out tomorrow, which for you guys will just be the next video. But yeah, so let's go ahead. We're going to ceramic coat his wheels. I probably won't show too much of that on video, but I will show you guys the wheels. And then we're gonna go over to Discount Tire and get these wheels right here mounted to some tires and put on the Hellcat. All right, quick update. We're at Discount Tire. Here's a sneak peek. Oh. All right, guys, the wheels and tires are officially mounted. You guys ready to see them? All right, there they are. Oh, wait, that's Zach's truck.
Damn it.
I kid. All right, guys, here it is. Woo! Check that out. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love them, and I will love them even more as soon as I get the car lowered, because it feels like it's a monster truck. Look at all this gap. It's what? Yeah, about two finger gap. I mean, that needs to go. And then back here in the back, it's, you know, about the same. Actually, yeah, in the back it's about 3. So that will definitely be taken care of. I can't talk. And that's actually happening tomorrow. So the next video you guys see will be this thing sitting much better than it currently does. So I would say today was a pretty great day. We got the quad tips installed, and then once again, huge shout out to Belgian wheels. These are 20 by 10.5 in the rear and 20 by 9s in the front. They are the split 5 design, painted or powder coated in satin black with Nitto 555 G2 tires on here. These are 315 35/20s in the rear and 275 40/20 up there in the front. But 315, that, my friends, is a meaty tire. Sticks out just a little bit, probably poke a little bit more when it gets lowered as well. But that combined with the quad exhaust tips, let's see. Ooh. But man, what a difference this new set of wheels and tires can make to a car. And yes, like I said, I am going to miss the brass monkeys, but I don't know, these are pretty cool, and they will look so much better once the wrap gets put on this car. It's gonna look ridiculously cool, so stay tuned for that. All right, Zach, you wanna show off your wheels now? Sure. That are going on kern-fed Camaro? Sure. Let's do it. Well, they're already opened. That kind of took all the anticlimactic of it. Oh yeah, box them up.
Bingo.
Boom! Damn, so what are these?
The 10, I don't know how to say that, but they're 10.5 all the way around.
20 by 10.5, all 4.
All 4, baby.
So we're about to get to ceramic coating these wheels for Zach, and Zach was once again kind enough to be my UPS delivery man. He brought me my front splitter, which is in this packaging, which you guys can't even see at all, but that's a front little splitter air dam thing. And then in here is my new bumper, which you guys will see in the next video, but it's just a white Hellcat bumper. So yeah, just all kinds of fun stuff going on today. I mean, just stuff over here, over there. We got a Hellcat over here with new quad exhaust tips, new wheels and tires. It was a pretty great Friday. What'd you say?
Oh, absolutely.
Friday's for the boys. Also, one thing I'd like to add about these quad exhaust tips is that, believe it or not, I know you guys, a lot of you are gonna think I'm absolutely crazy for saying this, but they actually made the car sound different. I don't know how or why or whatever, but yeah, it sounds different now. It's not a huge difference, but it's definitely something noticeable as the driver. Like, I hopped in the car and I was like, whoa, it actually sounds different. And you know, it's weird that it sounds different, but it sounds good. I think it sounds a little bit deeper, maybe a little bit less raspy. Zach, you were behind me a minute ago. What was the difference to you?
Yeah, less throaty, more of a deeper.
So yeah, you heard it here first from Zach. Deeper tone. Yeah. Let's see if it does it on startup. See if the startup's any different, because why not? I don't know, but it sounds good. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next one where this thing will be looking even better with lowering springs and a couple other things that I haven't told you guys about yet. But thank you guys for watching the video. We'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Bye, Zach.
Bye, Riley.
Check this thing out. Wow. I wonder what this thing's here for. Well, that's pretty cool.